Hello everyone, welcome back to a little laggy Software Incorporated. So apparently, with all the stuff we have, we are lagging the game out a little. Huh, okay. Well, I made these very big rooms here, which don't have any connections yet between themselves, etc. They also haven't been filled in yet because I didn't really feel like it. And this size room is now complete, so this will be the actual size of the building itself. That means we will have a small building and big rooms. That means I think over here will be meeting rooms, and maybe not upstairs, but well, we'll see about that later. But here on the bottom floor could be also some small teams and the bigger teams, but we'll see about that later. For now, we are going to start developing some more software, and apparently our small audio card driver has been done, so that one is going to be released. And with that one done, I think we can start on a new project, which will be a new... Oh my god. Really? Really? Yep. Are you already forgetting what you were trying to make? I think it was... Did coding language, audio card, video card... I think it was a game engine, didn't we? Game engine. Game engine. Research engine. Yeah, I think it was a research for an engine. Research engine. What did we need for an advanced game engine? Yep, an engine research. Okay. Engine research. I think is the last one. Original IP. Nope. Oh, wait a sec. Did I do that wrong? Yep, I did wrong. On the engine research, not the FPS research. There we go. That's better. Will be engine 2. Engine 2. It will have everything, the most advanced stuff. And this will be for Research Team Alpha. Will be an in-house system. Will be made on the in-house server. And that should do it. Medium game engine research. Yep, we needed to do a game engine research. The problem is it's almost in alpha, so we're not going to make an engine 2 if we are making an engine 2. Oh my god, I am starting this off so good today, don't you think, guys? I'm really starting this off perfectly. I'm sometimes getting so tired of myself. So I guess we are going to do some game researches instead. Let's see, which one was the longest time ago? We started, I think, with simulation game, but I am really not sure about that. So let's check it. We can do it like this, but that will take a long time, I think. Hardware research, simulation research was the latest. Role-playing game. Action research was there. I think it was the role-play research was the longest time ago. So we're going to do some new research in that area. So research RPG, original IP, no, it will be RPG research 2. And it will have advanced development sequence and QA testing will be on the in-house server and in-house system for the game studio. Oh, no, research alpha. And start. They can do that again. There we go. And let's speed up the time. So the game may lag a little. I think the biggest problem is that we just have too many people, or just a too big of a building area, and people are trying to pop time in these areas and just can't do it. I got the feeling that is the biggest problem here, but I have no clue. So, but last episode we released, I think, a game, was it? It was Sky City. Let's see how much that made. It was a simulation game, a city building game. And let's just see how they did. Lots of people are going home. And it made a total of 1.9 million. I don't really mind that much of a profit. I really don't mind that profit. Let's just keep the profit going, shall we? So, where is the second? There is the second research team. They are working pretty good. Could expand the team, actually, kind of. But I'm not sure that is really needed. Our website will be released today. Nice. Let's set it up for the correct team. Scrolling down, assign to marketing. And that is the research for that one. We are still marketing Velda and Agar.net. Wow, words. Yep, words. You know your words. Don't you know your words? But with that release, we need to do something new for the web team. So let's see what the web team can develop. The web team can develop. They just need a website. And what is a website used for? Well, for example, a forum. I guess we're going to use Sky.net 3 in a new forum. And talking about forums, let's give it all. And let's give it a product name. Didn't we already have a forum? Yeah. Sky.forum2.net. Well, I guess it's a nice one. And I think that is good for now. Oh, I am actually forgetting something. I got comments for certain game or software names, and I actually completely forgot to check them out and sort them out somewhere. And, well, just to note them so I can do something with it. For example, call software after people, or after people's ideas. But, oh well, I can't do that now. So, okay, how is that doing? Looks like our operating system is actually, mobile operating system is almost done. It's going into beta now. They're pumping out the bugs pretty quick. Did we do the marketing? I hope so. And I guess we're going to release another piece of software today. Wow, 3 releases in 2 months. And actually, it looks like our operating system might come online today. And if that is so, oh, that is going to be interesting. Very interesting, actually. So 2 releases, no, just 2 releases and 1 new piece of software. And let's see what we need the mobile operating system for. I guess now that we have done that, we can make games on a mobile phone, like the mobile game. Mobile operating system, choose. Let's use our own. As usual, let's choose a game engine. Oh, this is the normal game engine. This is not the advanced game engine. So this is not the advanced game engine over here, somewhere, there. This is the normal one. This is this one, and we haven't made that one yet. And this one actually needs a coding language. Oh, that is new. That is completely new. I like it. But to do that, releases. Oh, they made a new operating system. Okay, this is a standard one. This is a very crappy one. I don't mind. So we need a game engine. Okay. Do we have a research team who can do that? No. But we have the core team who could actually be making that. Or should the mobile team just make an operating... I guess the core team can do it. Let's make it for our own operating system. And the other big one. That actually might not be a good idea now that I think of it, because, well, we are making a new game engine, but we are not using the new game engine, so I guess we can do this. Let's have it 2D rendering, PC speaker, 3D, HD audio, networking, scripting, joystick support, QA testing, coding language will be Gabaster Gamma. And let's see, team of 8, course coverage, yeah. And product name will be the Genesis engine. The Genesis engine. Yep, sounds like a good name. And let's make that not an in-house system. Well, let's make it an in-house system actually. And let's get it for the mobile team. Start developing it. Okay. Oh, they're pumping it out pretty good. That's going faster than I expected. Oh, looks like our operating system can go into beta. Okay, let's market the hell out of this one. Actually, let's see if we still need to do that. I think we already did. I'm just checking. Yep, they already did that. Marketing. And let's see how much we made this month. Looks like a lot. We made this month a total of 10 million. And our new pieces of software, Sky.net 3 made 800,000. Genesis M made 4.5 million. Wow. And the rest, did we release something else? No, we didn't. Sky.city made 1.3, so that's a good amount as well. We are still making almost 4 million for the new operating system. Well, that's not correctly 4, 6, 7 million for these pieces, and I guess 10 or the other 3 million for other operating or other pieces of software that doesn't stand here. And also, of course, we are making a buttload on interest and a buttload on deals. And I think the deals are supporting, well, the bills almost. The deals almost pay the bills. I like it. Okay, let's actually, talking about money, put a lot of money in our insurance fund because, well, having it in not in your safe is maybe not a very good idea. So we do that. Let's get this open and let's put this into alpha or beta. And let's also check the servers. In-house server. Oh, wait. You can go on the in-house server. I don't see anything on the in-house server. I guess stuff broke again. Well, at least a lot is not. Oh wow, the door RS. Their automatic patches are going through our servers. Yeah, we can cancel them, just to annoy the neighbors. But for now, I guess this is good. 26 power, 4.6. Oh, it's a good amount of load there. Yep, good amount. Hey, what's over here? What's the problem here? What's your problem? Unable to reach the lamp. Oh, I guess the lamp broke. Let's move the furniture 1 up. And I guess now it is done. Okay, good for now. Okay, so with our operating system almost done, stuff is going to change. So next episode, we're going to do another building episode. We're going to fill in as much, well, we're going to fill in this and we're going to create these areas over here. At the moment, this is just a few empty squares, but they still need to be filled in with some rooms. And also they need some nice green spaces in between, like this, of course. So we need to do something about that, and we need the top floor to be created for office space, for meeting rooms, for servers. I think I want to move to here, and all these other kinds of stuff. So I think, yeah, moving the servers from here to there might be a good idea. I'm not really sure about that yet. I think I want to destroy this whole building and move them all over to there. And my plan is do that between the next 2 episodes. So next episode we're going to build, and the episode after that I want to install a lot of new people in these rooms so we can create a lot better operating or a lot better software for our operating system. And also from that point on forward, we are going to try and be the only one creating stuff. So we are going to do some automatization from the next 2 episodes forward and hopefully create one. Well, now that I think of it, the best thing we can do actually is maybe have an automatic program, an automated system for programming, so the project management for every single thing here, maybe except for the research. So we're gonna have one game team only making simulation game, one only making RPGs, one only making first-person shooters, OS utilities, that's a new one. PDF reader, oh, okay. We can make one of those pretty soon, I guess. But we'll all make that for the new operating system from the next year forward. So I hope you can agree on that. But until then, I think we can start... Oh, DRM software. That's new as well. Multiple downloads, Q&A testing, serial codes. Yep, we have some new stuff here. Our operating system, our gaming portal. Ooh. I wanna be Steam. Ooh. Oh, I want this. I want this in my life. We're going to make a game portal as well, I guess. But this... Oh, and actually, it could be an open source one. Well, we are going to try that as well next episode, but first our operating system needs to be released. And there we go. Genesis 2. Release. Genesis has been released. It's going to be marketed fully. Can you actually... Oh, you can set the budget. I actually never tried that. I also always set it to max because that was the thing I wanted. This is going to go to marketing. And now we need some basic pieces of software again. So let's start with some teaming up. Let's create a few teams. Oh, no. Yeah, and hire some people. So, teams. What kind of teams are we going to have? Let's expand this name a little. So, we have one software systems. How many pieces of software are there? Normal or, yeah, well, let's do it first. Let's do the first things we know. I am really rambling here a little. Don't try to, but it happens. We have FPS research, we have a role-playing game, and we have a simulation game. So we will have 3 teams. One will be the simulation team. Sim game team, I think is a good name. We will have an action game team. And we're gonna have the Gaming Studio Alpha is going to be renamed to the FPS team. I think that is a good idea. So let's do that now. Everyone in Gaming Studio Alpha, select all. It's going to be transferred to the FPS team. What are they working on now, actually? They're working on Velda. Well, I guess they can be the RPG team. I think I need to rename the FPS team the RPG team. Let's do that. So disband the action team, because that's not an action game. It is called the RPG team. RPG game team. Set. Okay. So let's do that again. Let's select everybody, change team to the RPG team. And the software is going to be assigned to the RPG team as well. So they can start doing that. And let's get rid of the old one. How many types of research are there? So we have 2 research teams at the moment. That is going to be expanded, but maybe we need to do that alone. And we have a video card, the game researchers, and the OS utilities is standard users, processor operating system, including things like a native printer support, IM platform, and PDF reader. Okay. Could make a legal team actually with the DRM software. That sounds like fun. Okay, let's make a legal team. So those are gonna make. Oh wow, it's being sorted for some reason. Okay, well I guess let's sort it by count so we can see what has no people in it. Actually, ADSF is going to be disbanded. That was a simple setback. Mobile OS team. Mobile OS team at we need game research team. Game research team for the 3 pieces of game research. Then we have the other 2 research teams, which is alpha and beta. And I think actually we can. Oh, there it is. We can maybe keep them. And let's see, we have mobile game. Oh, we have mobile games. Those need to be added as well. We can have an engine team actually. Just once creating the game engine. Yeah. Engine research team. Okay. We are going to have a web game team. We're going to have a mobile game team. Okay, that's a mobile game team. So that is, I think, all the games, mobile operating system. We can have our own OS team. So the OS team is going to make mobile OSs and normal OSs. So that will be the core team eventually. Let's set them over actually right now. The OS team is not doing anything, so we can do that. Employee, select all, move to the OS team. Okay. And the core team is going to be disbanded. Marketing is good, support is good, software systems. We're going to split up the software systems into, well, we have visual tool and audio tools, which can actually be one team because you don't really need them. We can have a security team making the antivirus and anti-malware. So let's make a security team. Team. Okay. That is that. We have an online team for the websites on forums. And the software systems. Oh, we can have a player team. Players. We can have a... what's another word for a player? Music player. Portals. Those are kind of portals. So we can have the portals for the video player, the audio player. We can have a driver team, actually. Yep, a driver team. Wow, those are a lot of different teams, and they're gonna be all in one big building. Utilities. Oh, utilities. I think that might be the last team then. The language is going to be research, because the audio tool, the video tool, and the OS utilities is actually some kind of utility systems. They all are used in other stuff. So I think the last one is going to be called utilities. So that is going to be utilities team. That is going to be the software systems. They're going to be sent over to that team. Select all, change team to the utilities team. Also there, what were they making? Agar is going to be set to the utilities team as well. Okay, that sounds good. Then the OS... Oh, where is it? It moved. Software systems. Where is software systems? Software systems, there we go. Disband. Okay, I think the mobile team is going to make everything for the mobile phone. Leader, no. Support, yes, yes, yes. The research, I'm not really sure what I need to do. Game research, well, we can set one for the game and one for the engine research. Sounds like a good idea, actually. I might do that. And one is making our... one is making a research. Alpha is making a game. So Alpha is going to be set as the game research team. Select all. Go to the game research team. And Beta is doing an engine research. So they are going to the engine research team. Okay, that's another 2 old teams gone. Oh, now it moved. Dang it. Sounds like a different game, and yet it moved. Research team Alpha, there we go. Oh, they are set to works, so we need to switch some stuff over. Unassigned, you are going to be assigned to game research. You are going to be assigned to engine research. That's compatible with art. Okay, we're going to check that in a second. Is something not being done by marketing here? Oh, print edit is going to be by support. I guess something went wrong there. Now everything is being done by support. Okay. Better. Now, do we have everything? I think we do have a lot of new names now. Yeah, and we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 teams. We have now the rooms, so 18 teams. That is 9 per, or 6 per wing, and 6 for the central building, kind of. And for the 16 teams, we now have 18 teams. 18 teams, I just said. Why am I now in 16? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 teams already set. So we need 14 more rooms for people. Okay, at least we know that. The few are going to be on the second floor. A few are going to be on the main floor. Second floor is mostly going to be research, I think, still. But also might just do this a little different, not do the meeting rooms upstairs and the rest downstairs, but combine it a little like I did with this room over here. So yeah, we're gonna see that. So then actually what we might do is have the meeting rooms on this side of the building and the main just development rooms will be over here. I think we're gonna do that. So that is our plan for the rest of the building. We are now in OS number 2, which is not being sold yet. We have not made any money for it. So let's just skip forward today a little. Let's finish up this day and see how much that episode or that our software is going to make before we are going to do anything else. The core team can have a little nap, and the next episode we're going to build a lot. Okay, this is going to be developed into alpha. The rest is just going. It's going nice. Research is being done. All the other stuff is being done. The forum is almost complete. Will it be done before the end of the day? No, it won't. Okay, one person has called in sick. That is always possible. All the cars are going. And let's see how much we made for our OS. Our OS made a total of 1 million. That's a very good start. 1 million is a perfect start. That will of course be increased at the moment we are selling software for the system itself, but at the moment 1 million start is perfect. So that is going to be for this episode. Next episode we're going to build the big rooms, and I think I'm going to delete the main building already, and we're going to fill in most of the buildings, or at least sort them up per section or something like that. Oh well, you will see that in... I have a plan. Surely I've got a plan, but I am not explaining it very good. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please leave a like on it if you did, and I hope to see you all in another one. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye-bye. Oh, this is going to be big. No pun intended.